Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the Math.sign method. This can be used to identify if a number is positive, negative, or null. It's only going to return 3 values. Let us, for example, use a 73. And we can see it with the plus or minus if we just print it out. But if we use Math.sign and put the minus 73 into regular parentheses, this will simply give us a -1. And it doesn't really matter what number it is, as long as it's negative, we will always get -1. It's the identifier for a negative number. If we make that positive, we will always get a 1, even for these long numbers. If the number is 0 though, we'll get null. So the Math.sign only returns 1 for positive, 0 for null, and -1 for negative numbers. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.